is my friend Nick.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I like that camera.
I like that car. Is that yours, Michael?
Oh, no. Sure it is. He's just being modest. Mikey here is a successful businessman.
Well, he's come a long way. Back at school, Michael spent most of his time drinking beer and trying to get laid. In fact, he was pretty good at drinking beer. Michael always said he'd make the big time. Of course, we figured he'd just do time. Good old Minnow.
Hey, no, oh, wait a second. Minnow?
Yeah, that was his nickname.
Actually, this car is a part of my fleet. I own 6 more.
What line of work you in?
I
He's an
develop real
exporter.
estate.
He exports real estate
How you manage that?
with a really big ship.